Well, hello there, everyone. Thank you all for joining me for another episode of Michael's Munchies. And today I have the new limited edition Pumpkin Spice Oreos. Well, it says pumpkin spice, but it shows pumpkin pie. So really, it's pumpkin pie, I would think. So, yeah, I myself really like pumpkin pie. So let's check these out. Alright. Nice white cookie. Interesting colored cream. That does not smell like pumpkin pie. So, alright. Oh, yeah, it seems like the cream's a little darker than it should be. But yeah, so when they have the cookies, just like the crust. Let's try it out. I got nothing on that. I could taste the cookie. The vanilla cookie was nice. Wow. Oh. But for a second, or a fraction of a second, I tasted a tiny bit of spice. But otherwise, yeah, otherwise I don't really taste anything. It tastes like a normal Oreo cookie with vanilla cookies. So let's try another one. Really not getting anything. No. Nope. It was again. Just that tiny bit. It was like, oh, and then it's gone. The tiniest bit of like spice, like, so it tasted for just a fraction of a second, like pumpkin pie, right near the end. Well, let's see if about just having the frosting itself. No. This so that must be what it's, I believe it smells and it certainly tastes exactly like plain cream that they just put dye in to look a different color. So I'm not sure where I'm getting the hints of pumpkin spice from, but it's definitely extremely minimal. Can barely taste it at all. Otherwise, these just taste like normal Oreo cookies with the vanilla cookies. So, yeah, that's pretty sad and disappointing, I must say. They've usually done some nice stuff before, but for some reason these don't taste anything like pumpkin pie or pumpkin spice. There's nothing that I'm getting. So, I mean, vanilla cookie's nice, but I mean, overall, like a 4. And then as far as recreating pumpkin spice slash pumpkin pie, you know, 1. maybe 0 out of 10. Pretty pretty disappointing. Very disappointing. So really just sad. Mm-hmm. Nope. Alright. Well, yeah, extremely disappointing. Shame, Nabisco. Shame. So, yeah, if you see him, you know, don't get him. Because unless somehow I got just a bad batch or something, but like these don't taste anything like pumpkin spice or pumpkin pie either. There's no pumpkin spice flavoring anywhere in here. So, yeah, really terrible. Otherwise, yeah. Anyway, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. Michael's Munchies on Facebook, Michael's_Munchies on Instagram. And yeah. Thank you again. Can't thank you enough. Till next time, enjoy your food.
Michael's Munchies, yeah.